Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a modern and trendy take on the classic sari. Who says sari are only for traditional occasion? Today fashion is all about mixing style, and sari are becoming a huge trend in modern fashion. In this look, I paired a simple sari with a stylish blouse to create a fresh and fashionable vibe. You can experiment with crop top, jacket or even sneaker to give your sari a unique twist. Color combination also play a big role. Bold color make a strong statement while pastel shade give a soft and elegant feel. You can choose according to your mood or the occasion. Another great idea is the play with draping style. Try a belt for a structured look or keep it loose for a relaxed and flowy feel. Small detail can completely change your all over appearance. The best thing about sari is that allow you to express your personality. Whether you like simple look or bold fashion, there are always a sari style for you. Fashion is about confidence, and when you wear something you love, it shows. I hope this video gave you some new ideas to style your sari in modern way. If you are new to wearing sari, don't worry. With a little practice, draping become easy and fun. And once you get comfortable, you fall in love with this outfit. I hope you enjoyed this sari look and found some inspiration for next outfit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion and style ideas. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.